Maggi and a pizza, Maggiza. Well, we are at Hungry Head today in Powai in Hakone, and I've heard a lot about Maggiza from Hungry Head, and we're gonna try it out today. Okay, so you would like to have Maggiza, this veggie lover Maggiza. So could you tell a little bit about Maggiza?
So Maggiza will be having a thin crust over which we have a layer of Maggi, and you will be getting toppings or the flavors you select with cheese.
Just can never go wrong. This is tasting so good. I've had many pizzas, but Maggiza is a really unique dish. I'm loving this. If you are a pizza and a Maggi lover, this is your place. Really come here.